Are you looking for additional source of income? I will show you 6 great ways to make money with ChatGPT, of course legally. First approach is to start a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. To make money on YouTube, you don't have to show your face and you don't need expensive camera equipment. An example of this type of channel is called Weird History, which has been reported to generate a monthly revenue of up to $35,000 through AdSense. Nowadays, it's so easy to make videos by leveraging AI tools. ChatGPT is great for script writing. AI voiceover tools like Descript, Lovo AI, or Murph AI gives you studio-quality text-to-speech. With stock video services, you can improve the visual quality of your videos. In fact, the Descript video editor provides all these features in one product. You can use built-in stock footage and AI voiceover. You can even use your own voice by synthesizing your voice profile with Descript. Alternatively, for automatic video creation, you can use Pictory AI. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is producing online video courses on Udemy. Here, let me show you how much money an Udemy course can make. To see that, go to Udemy and click on Create Course and Marketplace Insights. They show you what the expected monthly revenue, search volume, and competition is for a particular topic. I can see for ChatGPT, expected monthly revenue is around $1,758. If you would try with another course topic like Excel, you can see revenue jumps to around $50,000. And it's true passive income opportunity because you produce the video content once and it sells itself. I will show you how to create an online course. First, how to find great ideas. Here on Udemy, you have a list of main categories and subcategories. Be sure to cross-check these ideas with Marketplace Insights before deciding one. Your sweet spot should be higher search volume and lower competition. Once you decide on the course idea with a high return of investment, you can use ChatGPT to create a high-quality script about the topic. Let's pick time management as our course topic. You can use prompt, create an outline for a course on time management. Once I have the outline, I will copy-paste first title to ChatGPT and ask to create a script for a lesson. On Udemy, instructors tend to teach the content with slides. I will also show you how you can easily create slides for your course. Come to ChatGPT and prompt, turn this script into a slide presentation with title and body. Then ChatGPT will provide you all slides. After that, only thing you need to do is copy-paste these texts into Google Slides or whatever tool you prefer. Next step is going to be recording your video course with the material we just prepared. For AI voiceover, you can leverage this script's overdub feature. And for screen recording, I'm using a tool called Screen Studio because it has this cool animation for mouse clicks and it can also record your voice while presenting. It would be even stronger if you can combine your YouTube channel with a Udemy course. Then you would build a healthy business covering both discoverability and financial engine. Third way of making money with ChatGPT is about writing. You already know ChatGPT can produce natural-sounding articles and blog posts about almost everything. We can leverage this by writing blog posts and adding affiliate links to articles. Alternatively, you can use Cactus AI's essay writer tool or Copy.ai to produce great blog posts. You need to know what to write about, ideally topics with high traffic and low competition. To do that, we will use hsupertools.com's keyword analyzer. Here you can find high cost per click keywords to create articles about. You can also search for specific keywords and see how they are performing. Once you found a great idea, create an article using ChatGPT. When you create the article, check the content using an AI content detector tool such as writer.com to see if it appears to be like human written. If you have low scores, you can use paraphraser tools like Quillbot, Notion AI, or Grammarly to improve quality of your content. The final step is to publish the blog post on Medium, Quora, or Reddit and make money through affiliate marketing links. You can check moneypantry.com to see the list of all websites paying people for blog posts. An important point is that affiliate links should be relevant to your blog post. Otherwise, they won't bring enough sales. If you are wondering how to find affiliate marketing links, you can check the ClickBank affiliate marketplace or other options. The fourth way to make money with ChatGPT is Fiverr's writing services. Fiverr is a freelancer platform where you can get paid for the services you provide. On Fiverr, there are a lot of writing-related jobs and services you can offer through ChatGPT's writing abilities. You can get copywriting or translation jobs. You can get paid to write Amazon or Shopify product descriptions. Another great way for making money is writing an ebook by using ChatGPT and publishing it by Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can use ChatGPT to create outlines and content for your book. Once you have the content, you can use Adobe InDesign or Canva to design your book cover. If you are looking for great AI-created images, I highly recommend you using Midjourney. The great thing about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is that they take care of the production and distribution. You can list your book on the Amazon Kindle store and even offer it as a physical book. Amazon takes care of the printing and shipping for you. If you want to see similar videos like this one about making money with ChatGPT, you can subscribe to the channel. Last way of using ChatGPT for money making is dividend stock suggestions. Dividend stocks are a great way to invest as they are stocks of large companies that share a portion of their profits with their investors in monthly or yearly basis. Companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble offer dividend stocks. To learn about which dividend stocks are great to invest in, you can ask ChatGPT. Keep in mind that ChatGPT's large language model has trained on internet data from 2021. Therefore, dividend stock suggestions you will get will be hot ones from 2021. However, here are few example stocks ChatGPT shared with me. As you can see, these big companies are still valuable and ChatGPT's suggestions are relevant even today.